Hey,
Hello,
gents.
Mr. Press.
Hello, team. How are you?
We are good, sir, Mela.
How are you feeling?
No, I think all is well, and we are happy also that you found it in your schedule to slot us in so that you can give us a good luck message, which I think is a motivation to us, and it will give us strength so that when we go out there in the field, we'll give all that we have in our side.
Thank you very much. I wanted to encourage you to see all of you and confirm that you are in good shape, in good spirits, and that you are ready to perform for the country. Everybody is looking up, looking out for your performance. You will give your all, and the most important thing is have a good time on the field. Don't put yourselves under too much pressure. Relax, enjoy the game, have a lot of fun, play as a team, play to each other's strengths, and play with spirit, play with passion, play with full dedication and commitment, knowing that the whole country is behind you. I'm behind you too, and I know you are going to win. So good luck, boys, for tonight. And I can see everybody is ready. Everybody is beaming with confidence. So I'm pleased. I'm delighted to talk to you. Where's the coach?
Mr. President.
Coach.
How are you?
Good, thanks. And you?
I'm good, President.
Good luck for tonight.
Thank you very much.
I'm sure you've prepared well, put them through all the drills, and they are ready, mentally switched on, strong, resilient, ready to perform. So thank you very much, and good luck to you and to your coaching staff. Good luck to the boys.
Thank you, Mr. Press. Thank you, Mr. Press.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.